Yeah. Welcome back, all of my viewers, all of my subscribers. Buenos noches. You know the style, is me so. Everybody's supposed to get the news by now. Say Rygin King is yeah, him get shot, so he might try recover from multiple gunshot wounds. Is me so. We are going to talk about everything will take place and how him stay right now, as in the condition where him in, and who and where it happened and everything, you see me. Yeah, as in who get injured, you see me. So far them say him get shot in him face and in him back, you see me, and who and him was traveling in the same vehicle at the same time when the whole incident take place. Some people have it for saying baby mother get shot. At first that me did think so. It seems as if it's his manager, isn't me, called Sashalee. So she end up, succumb to gunshot wound and never get to make it out. Prayers God for that be there, isn't me. The baby mother also within her back with the two of him kids basically. I saw them get dropped up in it, you me. So the video when I did see Rygin King up on the ground and the kids them in I back a scream and thing, that was at the same time, you me, so comes them dip on the scene. Yeah, and this same car we are look on right now, that was the car Rygin King did a traveling, you see me. Yeah, so Rygin King was rushed to the hospital, you see me, so him they are served right now, and you know that a Westmoreland where the funeral did keep, you see me, where them we did too. So this take place at a funeral, people, you see me. It's like get a youth, no you have nothing again. You know, see it, people. It burn me, you know. I don't even know, you see me. Yeah, man. I don't even know. If I watch a couple of my the video before this, you can know. You see me, from here, me I talk on that video and thing, you see me. Yeah, man, Rygin King, enough people are pray for you right now, me I tell you. You see me. Yeah, man, so it's good for know so you're in a stable condition so far and thing, you see me. Just know so the crowd a cheer for you right now. Me never say, and man I said no, just try another situation there, the role where you play, me I tell you, see me. And nobody would want that for nobody, but you see you Rygin King there, they are real youth, you see me. So far so good, you see me. Music where you do tell, you see me. Yeah, man, but just where you go and hold it and stay strong where you're there right now, you see me. So all of who want to know what going on, them thing they are going, you see me. Yeah, man, so I want to know, comment down below, tell me what you think about this, and remember say yo, prayers out for the dog, you see me. People that you're not ready yet, you know, if you don't see that for yourself, 2020 show enough things up in a reality, you see me. But we not talk about that. We just are showing some different perception, as in Shenzi and Mumpas, right? TJ lose some real soldier. I say, my boy there, we're Rygin King right now. You see me? It real, you see me? Vibes Cartel and Popcorn have beef about some things that happen. How long enough people they even know. Me I tell you 2020 set away people, and in terms of how me I show you say enough you have nothing in a life. All if you have something, it just a try show and say yo, God are God. The area is God. You see me? Positiveness and everything like that, cause what? Nobody can bigger than them, man. You see me? You know if you slow down any little thing and make your whole your breaks and look upon life. You see me? So you can't feel like you're more than him. You have to always remember, say, so prayers out for you. But generally know the style, go, you see me? So prayers we are work with for that one, you see it? Yeah, man. So at the end of the video, this guys, we are giving some time for recover and thing. Is right. So please do subscribe if you're new, like, comment, share to a friend, family. It no matter is it. Yeah, man. So big up on yourself and have a blessed night and thing out.